Today we're comparing Tata AIG Medicare Premier and Aditya Birla Activ on Max side by side, and the goal is simple. Instead of explaining one plan in complete detail and jumping onto the next, we're going to compare everything feature by feature so you can clearly see where each plan stands and what actually changes. Hello folks, I'm Shashank, you're watching Ditto Insurance. At Ditto, we help you compare health and term insurance plans with honest advice from IDI certified advisors without any spam, without any forceful selling. And if at any point you feel like you want help choosing between these two plans, you can pause and book a free call through the link in the description. Our service is free, our claim support is also free. Alright, let's start with the insurers themselves. Metrics are already on your screen. From a positioning standpoint, Tata AIG is a more established insurer with a long operating history and a stable claim servicing reputation. Aditya Birla is relatively newer but has built a strong presence through innovative products and competitive pricing. So you're essentially comparing a slightly more traditional feature-heavy insurer with a more standard, modern, wellness-driven player. Now moving on to the plan structure, both plans are quite similar here. Entry age starts at 18. In both, children are covered from early ages and both offer lifelong renewability. Some insured ranges are also broad in both, going from mid-level all the way up to a very high coverage amount. Policy tenure options are also aligned as well, typically 1, 2 or 3 years. So structurally, there is no major difference on how you enter or hold the policy. Now, you also get this in family floater or as an individual plan. Now let's get into claim times experience. In terms of copay, both plans are clean, no mandatory copay in both the designs. Disease by sublimits are also clean, not present in either of them, which is again a good thing. Room rent is where both stand out positively. Neither plan has a room rent restriction, which means no proportionate deductions just because you chose a slightly better room. So on these fundamentals, both plans are equally strong. Now let's move on to hospitalization coverage windows. Tata AIG offers 60 days of pre-hospitalization coverage and 90 of post-hospitalization coverage, which can extend further at higher coverage levels. Aditya Birla goes slightly ahead here with 90 days pre and 180 days post-hospitalization as standard. So if longer recovery timelines matter to you, Aditya Birla has an edge here. Now coming to the bonus, and this is where the difference becomes very clear. Tata AIG gives you a meager 50% no claim bonus every year up to 100% of base sum insured, but the bonus reduces if you make a claim. That's why it's called a no claim bonus and not cumulative bonus. Aditya Birla on the other hand offers a 100% increase every year up to 500% of base sum insured, and this continues even if you make claims. So this is a cumulative bonus. So side by side, Tata AIG is moderate and conditional while Aditya Birla is aggressive and unconditional in bonus growth. Now let's look at restoration. Tata AIG allows restoration once in a policy year after the first claim. Aditya Birla offers unlimited restoration starting from the second claim onwards, and it works for any illnesses, by the way. So again, Aditya Birla is clearly more aggressive and flexible here, while Tata AIG is more limited in how restoration works. Both plans offer day care treatments, domiciliary hospitalization and Ayush treatments up to complete sum insured, so no real differences there. Okay, now heading to the next bit, which is additional features and add-ons. Tata AIG focuses heavily on the breadth of features. You get global treatment coverage, maternity benefits, OPD rated benefits, after continuous coverage, built-in consumables, bariatric surgery coverage, which is very different, vaccination cover and a wide range of wellness services. It also offers add-ons like inflation-linked cover increases, bonus protection, accident riders and outpatient packages. So Tata AIG is clearly trying to cover as many scenarios as possible. Aditya Birla is taking a little different approach here. It focuses more on wellness and long-term engagement. You get health returns for healthy behavior, annual health assessments, chronic care support and add-ons that can reduce waiting periods or even give day one coverage for certain conditions. There are also practical add-ons like durable equipment cover and second medical opinion. So instead of packing everything, Aditya Birla focuses on structured and ongoing health management. Now, coming to pricing, you will see premiums on your screen. But here is the key takeaway. Aditya Birla Activ on Max is generally more competitively priced across most profiles. Tata AIG Medicare Premier tends to be a little expensive here, and that's largely because it includes a broader set of inbuilt features like maternity, global coverage and OPD benefits. So let's bring this together. If you want a plan that covers wide range of use cases from day one, including maternity, global treatment and OPD, Tata AIG Medicare takes your spot. But if you want a plan that grows with you, gives you health-based returns and also is a comprehensive plan that is a little less load on your pockets, then Aditya Birla Activ on Max can be your good pick. Now folks, this is not a blanket recommendation. It depends on your health, on your profile, on your budget. If you want help to understand which plan suits you the best, then you can pause and you can head to the link in the description and book your free call. We will help you compare these two plans and any other plans that you want us to compare, and we will try to find the best plan for you. Alright folks, I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.